Hi everyone, JC Colmenares, General Manager of Dish Network. Very happy to be here at the DOW Elite Retreat after a few years of not being able to meet together in person. It's been great seeing a lot of different companies from all over the United States, being able to share with them, learn what they're doing, learn what they're passionate about, what they want to do in the future, and how we can work with them and DOW to be successful out there. This year we were talking about a lot of different products that we have available through Dish that different retailers can tap into. The main one that we recently launched with our wireless aspirations is Republic Wireless, which is a wireless product that is only available to Dish customers at a steep discount. We talked a little bit about that. We got a chance to also talk to a lot of different retailers about what we're trying to do from a Dish 5G standpoint and where our future is. So we're very excited to be here, being able to share with many people, and we can't wait till next year.